I'll just right click and take a Niagara, then my favorite fountain. So whenever you take a emitter in a system or a separate emitter, we have these text and we have cleared till here. So now we have this emitter spawn, but this is empty. Why it is here? What the use of it? So basically, anything you will add here, it will reflect once when the particle emitter will spawn the particle. So it's at the time of spawning. If you use that single value and apply, so let's say you have this, and let's say you have red color particles, and from here you can randomize it like 0 to 1. So each particle is randomizing. Okay, so if you don't have this and you have this 0, so what you want, if you have this here and you want to copy this emitter here, and you want different color when you are copying, although you can make user parameter and change the color from here, but with the help of emitter spawn you can do that. So basically I'll just delete it for now. What I'll do, this value is changing the color. Actually this is hue shift, so I'll just make it float first, and now this single value will change the color. So what you can do, you can in the spawn you can just make a float, and you can call it anything like my color. Okay, and then here you can just link it in the emitter, and you can link it with the my color. Now you can change the color from here. Okay, and it will reflect here. But if you make this random 0 to 1, still it will show you the one color. But if I drag it here, every time when this will emit from the starting, it will take the random value from it for the whole emitter. Cool. So now if you just select it here and drag and copy, in each system we will have a different color. So this is cool with a single effect when you are duplicating. It is very cool for the variation. Okay, when you are making something and you want should not look same in the whole game, you can do this for the variation. And it's just not for the color, you can use anything. Like we have 0 to 1 value, now we can use it as the alpha 0 to 1 in my lerp value. So in the velocity we have this cone angle. If I make this 0, particle goes straight. If I'm making like 50, we have this cone angle. So if I just make this lerp and we go like 0 to 50, and in the alpha I'll use my color, which is 0 to 1 value. So now in each system we have copied, we have different angles. So see, this is pink one, it has 0 and we have the random values. Still if you will copy these, it will have different thing. Similar with the size, so we have this random size already. We can use uniform and we can use lerp, and in the alpha I'll use my color, and here we will use like 1 to 20. And see, some have very tiny particles, some have 20. So we have just a single effect, but the whole variation here in the viewport with just a single value. So this is one example how you can use. I hope you now understand this emitter spawn, what is happening here, and you can use it lots of ways. For especially like if you are making fireworks and you want every time you place your firework in the viewport and it should respond with a different color, right? You don't need to change, although you can change color from user parameters, but it's really easy because you don't have to worry about change. It will automatically take the random value. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and bye bye.